Hey, I'm Daniel with All Pro Overhead, and I'm going to show you how to open your door in manual mode. So, what you need to do is come up right over here to the red rope. You pull it down, it releases from the trolley, and then you're able to lift it. Don't put your fingers in between the panels, they will get pinched. To reconnect it, you could either press the button on the wall and it will reconnect itself, or just bring it down and it reconnects that way. If that doesn't help resolve your issue, submit a work order through the tenant portal at Peak Residential.